Guys, we got a freaking huge ball, guys. Those are nickels. 1250 bet. That's a good start.
250.
Yeah. It is 250. Like, yeah. Pretty good start. Can we get anything else? Pop that major in there. All right, minis 50. I'll take those 50s.
It's like 1,000.
All right.
Yeah. Wow.
Come on, anything. Last spin Johnson. Let's get lucky. And I'm not. Oh, that's the min ball. We'll take it because it resets it. That's the only time I want to see the min ball is when it resets. Oh, I saw the major. Oh, another 1250. Come on, smack. Smack. Crack. Nope. See, it's pretty good.
Wow.
I think it's over 1,000, I think. If I'm right, it's over 1,000. Sometimes it's hard, like on the internet, like, we'll see. Oh, it's over 1,000. It would have been hand pay, but it's not hand pay no more. Heck yeah, guys. Got the Buffalo music. Well, pretty good night at Spirit Mountain, guys. I think I'm going to call it a night after this. 1462, and it's not a hand pay anymore because it's got to get to 2,000 to be hand pay. Okay guys, we got a bonus on Moon Racer, starting 25 bucks. Spin, highly volatile game, so it could be nothing. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those nothing ones. A little bit. The guy shoots up if I remember right. Oh, maybe not. It's not Expando, I thought it was. That would have been cool. Four more. I need some help. That would have been cool. The last thing, guys, wasn't much to brag about here. Terrible. Alright, guys, hold and spin. Betting $12.50. Pretty good start. Looking for minor would be cool. Major. Anything. Alright. Min ball. Alright, a little bit. Alright. Okay. Smack it. Last spin Johnson. Oh! Alright. 18 grand. Highly unlikely. It's not even in there. Last spin Johnson. Still not popping up. Alright, I don't know how much that is, but I'm gonna say like 600 maybe? No more than that. Alright, dodge the hand pay, perfect. Alright guys, I don't know how much it is, 1250 bet. Red nickels. That's 250 I think then. So we got 650-ish? Let's see if I can get any more. Come on, give me one more. Yes, that's a big one. I think. Oh, another mini. Come on, give me a minor. Okay, 50 bucks. Or 25 bucks. 25 bucks, okay. All right, we'll see how much this is. I'm gonna, yeah.
Oh shit,
that's big.
Nice.
I got 400 in, so we'll see how much I'll get. I think it's more than that. Bring the profit. Yeah, wow. Right under a hand pay.
Shit, dude, what the fuck? Nice.
That's a good way to start it off. I didn't even use my free play yet.
Oh my god, you haven't?
No. All right, guys, we got hold and spin on Moon Racer. Minis worth 100 bucks. 10 cent DDOM, so those 25s and 50s. So what do we got here? 100, 50, 200, 300, I think. Guess we'll see. Hopefully I can get some more. A lot of times it just gives you this and this in on Lightning Link. Please give me one. Doesn't look like it. Dang it. 300 bucks, I think. $250, even worse. Yikes. Oh well. Guys, we got a Moon Racer bonus. 5-cent denom. $12.50 bet. Hopefully something comes about it. I think they got expandos. But we didn't get the guy. We need to get the guy. Oh my gosh, terrible. Alright, that looks good. Something, 100 bucks. Retrigger be awesome. Wow, I'm not gonna be able to get the guy to show you guys the expando. Well, they're just coming in full there. Alright, another 100 bucks. We'll take it. Nice. How many spins do I got left? Oh, 4 more. Okay, that was 300 bucks. Nice. Oh, please be good. Please be good. Oh, no. Last spin, Johnson. Oh, something. Oh, one more. Oh, shit. Oh, 700 bucks. Guys, we got a hold and spin on Moon Racer, 10-cent denom. So I think that's around just under 300 bucks. Last hold and spin I got, I didn't get a single number. Okay. It's 25 bucks, I believe. Those are 25s. This is min ball. All right. 125. More 125s. Okay, 25. Now we can get another 125. It's a pattern, guys. Can I get a bigger ball than 125? 125, 125, 250s, 500. No, it's like 650-ish. Oh, another 125. Nice. All right. Playing around with, you know, not quite to hand pay. I think this is like $700-800 bucks, but oh, $16,000, guys. $16,000. Come on. One time, give me one of these. I've never hit one. Pretty please? Supposedly we can come back? Nope. I'm gonna randomly guess 800. I don't know. $850, pretty good guess. Nice. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. I've been doing this for almost a year now, closing on 1,500 subscribers. It really helped me out if you subscribed. Until next time, have a good one. All right, guys, $2.50 bet. So pretty good big balls. One set denom, 25 bucks, 750, 750. We'll see if I can land a word. All right, 5 bucks. All right, another 15 bucks.
Nice.
This is all free play, so
Good start.
We'll take it. Come on, give me that 1250 ball. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't do me like that. Major. Oh, major 679.
Damn.
Man, that'd been awesome. Tease that crap.
What do you think it is?
50? No, more than that. A little bit more than that.
60.
62. All right. Good way. We're leaving here eventually here. It's a good way to get out of here. Please subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe.
All right, guys. $2.50 bet. So not the best value-wise, but I got some okay numbers. Considering it's only $12.50. Anything. Oh, that might be it. Yeah, well, that wasn't so great. Like 30 bucks. Alright guys, free games on Moon Racer betting $2.50. Why can't I never get in there when I got a big bet on that? I can never get into. Oh man, really? Okay, that's pretty good. I didn't get anything 5 across though. 29 bucks. Oh, that's pretty damn good. Why can't I do this when I'm betting like $25? I like Moon Racer because they give you 10 free games, but it's 10 times harder to get into the free games. I'll tell you that much. 4 more games. Oh, I split it there. Dang it. Oh, where's my satellite dishes? Lastman Johnson. That's $75 for $2.50. That's not bad. Alright guys, Moon Racer free games, $5 bet. See if I can do the same thing. Like 75 bucks on the 250 bet should be 150 on this, right? Nah, that's not how it works. Ha 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 ha, tease. We're at 1 cent denom, so it's not like it should be too impossible, but it doesn't seem to matter half the time. Wants a hoopla for not much. Oh, that would have been cool. Okay, we got that car thing all the way across. Well, not all the way, but got a lot of them. 50 bucks. 3 games left. Okay. Got the footprint. 2 more. Can I get a hold and spin? Can I get a hold? No, not like that. Lastman Johnson. Nothing. That might have been worth. No, 82 bucks. Alright guys, we got the chicken flake bonus, betting $5 on Lightning Ink. We'll see. Highly volatile, like, oh yeah, wilds? Dang it. No, so far no good. Uh-oh, halfway through nothing. Wilds? Little bit. We need some help. That's gonna be nothing. Doesn't even matter. 2 more spins. Oh, beat those trophies. Nope. A wild guy, wild guy. Yes. That's huge, guys. That's huge. We got the buffalo music. That was good because, like, the rest of that bonus was trash, man. I don't know how much it's gonna be. 5 across with some pretty good symbols. Jack kind of hurts. It's over 200. That's why I put in. Winding down. It's gonna give it over 3. Over 3. Okay. Can I get to 4? Okay. Alright. Is 5 too much to ask? I'm not gonna hit it. I'm just kinda enjoying this. Nope. 405. Nice.